Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. This particular review is about Nova S7. It's an expert advisor marketed around AI-driven adaptive decision making rather than a fixed set of trading rules. Quick note before we start, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. All right. Now, with respect to the platform confirmation, this Nova S7 EA is built for MetaTrader 5. Let us walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Meta Sophie Agapova, currently at version 1.3, and it was last updated on the 5th of May 2026, and it has 10 activations available. It is priced at 477 US dollars, built around what the page calls a DeepSeek AI framework, with the pitch being that it interprets market behavior contextually rather than reacting to static signals, continuously evaluating market structure, momentum shifts, volatility pressure, and execution quality through what is described as an adaptive multi-layer intelligence system. At the center of this is something called the dynamic context matrix, which the page describes as merging data streams into one probability model, filtering every potential trade through contextual scoring before it is taken. Now, here is something genuinely important to flag before we go any further, because it directly affects how we should read the backtest that we are about to look at. The page includes its own section explaining why backtests look different from live trading, stating outright that the live adaptive AI calibration system cannot be fully simulated inside the strategy tester environments. Now, according to the developer, a backtest only shows the core execution logic, while live trading is what activates the full adaptive intelligence layer that continuously learns from real execution conditions. So that is a direct developer stated limitation on how representative any backtest of this EA can be. So keep that in mind as we go through the numbers. All right, moving through the feature set, the page describes three intelligence modules that work together. The contextual market flow engine reads momentum acceleration and liquidity shifts to identify entry zones early. Adaptive volatility synchronization adjusts trading sensitivity to the current volatility regime, becoming more defensive in unstable conditions and more opportunity driven once things stabilize. And the neural trade refinement memory is described as the learning core, analyzing each trade after execution based on timing efficiency, spread behavior, and volatility response, and adjusting future weighting accordingly. On top of these sits a DeepSeek AI supervisory layer, which the page describes as a real-time quality filter that does not generate trades itself, but removes low confidence signals to improve execution timing. There is also a bonus mentioned on the page. Ordering Nova S7 currently includes either Meta i9 or Meta i7 for free, according to what is written here. And the price is described as adjusting automatically based on demand and usage activity. Now, with that live versus backtest caveat firmly in mind, let us go through the historical testing. I ran this on a $10,000 account and, of course, on gold on the M15 time frame as recommended, covering January through July 2026, which is about 7 months. The total net profit for that period came out to a very large $154,335.48. Now, let us look at the surrounding numbers. The gross profit was $364,066 against a gross loss of around $209,731, giving a profit factor of 1.74. The maximum balance drawdown reached 33.29%, and equity drawdown peaked even higher at 39.03%. Now, out of 415 total trades, close to 95% were profitable. But here's a number worth sitting with. The largest single losing trade in the test was just over $30,000. You can see that here. The largest single losing trade was over $30,000, 3 times the entire starting deposit, while the largest winning trade was only around $4,000. That is an extreme asymmetry between typical wins and that one outlier loss. And it's a big part of why the drawdown here reaches into the 30 to 40% range despite such a high win rate. So based purely on what this test shows, and remembering the developer's own statements that backtests only reflect the core logic rather than the full adaptive AI behavior seen live, this result should be treated as a limited window into how the system might behave, not a live equivalent picture. The extreme size of that single largest loss relative to the account is also something worth taking seriously on its own, regardless of how the AI layer might behave differently live. So to wrap up, based on the available information, Nova S7 is positioned as an evolving, self-refining AI system whose backtest results by the developer's own account don't fully represent live performance. Given that stated gap and the size of the largest single loss in this particular test, I would treat any historical numbers here cautiously and lean much more heavily on extended demo forward testing, ideally over a longer life period, before drawing conclusions about how this EA actually behaves with real capital on the line. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.